What a pleasant surprise. Ken made eggs and bacon toast with grape jelly and served me in bed today. He definitely scored some husband attaboy points. We're doing a leftover makeover day because we have a lot of leftovers. Let me show you some of the creative ways that we repackaged or revamped our leftovers. Alrighty, we have some leftover meatballs and sauce from when we had the meatball subs. I have cottage cheese and I have a variety of different cheeses. We're going to put together a little mini lasagna. Use this stuff up. In my bowl, I put the cottage cheese. I'm adding a couple big handfuls of mozzarella cheese. This is just a little bit of mozzarella cheese I had in a little bag. And a little bit of Parmesan cheese. We'll add a couple of eggs. And get this all mixed together. That's what it's going to look like. I'm just going to cut up these meatballs into smaller pieces. We're just going to get this put together. Start with some sauce. Put a layer of pasta. I have these no-bake lasagna noodles I'm going to use. There we go. Layer on some of our cheese mixture and repeat. Into the oven, 350. We're just going to warm this through probably about, 30-40 minutes so the noodles cook. I'm just putting this pan here so it doesn't brown up the cheese too quickly. We have a little bit of leftovers from the night we had Mexican food, so I'm going to make a meal prep Mexican food container. We have one meal prep done. There's the taquitos, some beans with cheese, and rice. They can heat this up for a dinner and then just fill the compartment with the guacamole that's in a container in the fridge. That's done. So let's make a couple little snacks with the rest of this refried beans that we have. Do you remember from Southern California, there was a restaurant called Noggles, and they had the best pinto bean cups on the planet. They were so good. So that's what we're creating here, just a little pinto bean cup. Don't know if you guys remembered, they had cheese on top. We're going to use the leftover queso fresco. And then I have some shredded cheddar from the chili dog night. So we'll put a nice little layer of that on top. And that'll be a nice little snack. Cheesy, creamy pinto beans, just like Noggles back in the day. All right. So those leftovers are taken care of. Fantastic. We have quite a bit of this rice left over. And I was thinking, why not just make Chinese fried rice, right? I have all of these green onions and cilantro from chili night. We could use those up. Let me see what I have in my vegetable bin. So far, I had a half of an onion, a carrot. We have the sliced green onion, cilantro, and a package of those peas. I also have some mushrooms that are freeze-dried that I'm going to rehydrate some. And then I have these freeze-dried shrimp. I'm going to hydrate a couple of those, a few of those. And then I also have the ginger, garlic, Thai pepper freeze-dried cubes. I'm going to hydrate some of those. I think that'll make a nice fried rice, and then I'll make a little sauce to put on it. I'm just gonna add some water to these so they can start hydrating. I also had this lone can of Spam on my pantry shelf. I'm gonna cut this up in little cubes. Oh, those did great. All right, these rehydrated beautifully. These did too. I'm gonna drain the water from here and cut these in half because they're kind of large. We're just gonna make a very simple sauce to put on the rice after we stir fry it. We have a couple tablespoons of honey, maybe a third cup soy, and a tablespoon or two of Shaoxing wine. You could use sherry. That's it. All right, let's get going on this. My Dutch oven is screaming hot. I decided just to use this because it's such a small amount instead of breaking out the wok. But I'm just gonna put a little bit of oil in there. And you can see that it's almost at smoking temperature already. We're adding the Spam. I want to get a little bit of color on the Spam. We are getting some good color on the Spam. We're adding the onion. That is looking fantastic. In with the green onions and mushrooms. We are going in with the garlic, ginger, and Thai peppers. As well as the peas and the carrots. In with the rice. In with the shrimp. Just created a little hole there. We're going in with 4 eggs. We'll just scramble those up. The eggs are looking good, so we're just gonna scramble everything together. I just added the soy sauce mixture. We're just going to make sure that we get this nice and heated through. We're almost there. All right, the rice looks great. It's all heated through. We have some of these cute takeout containers. We're just going to fill these up. We ended up with 3 boxes of the fried rice. I'm just adding some cilantro to the top, and that is a wonderful use of leftovers. We created a whole nother meal. We have 1 lone Italian piece of bread. I'm gonna turn this into some garlic bread to go with the lasagna. Okay, our final leftovers is 3 hot dogs, some chili, cheese, a little bit of tomato. So we're going to make a little casserole, little tater tot casserole. We layered in the chili, a couple of the hot dogs. We gave Cooper a treat. I know I'm a sucker. We'll just throw in those tomatoes. We'll throw in this cheese. I'm going to look to see if I have any more shredded cheese. I didn't have any more shredded cheese already shredded, so I did have a couple slices of American cheese, so that's going in the mix. Let's just put some tater tots on the top, so when we heat this in the oven, the tater tots will be crisp. I might even spray it with a little cooking spray. All right, that looks good. Into the oven that goes. We have 1 dinner of taquitos, rice, and beans with guacamole. We have a couple of those Noggles Mexican food inspired bean and cheese cups. I love those. We took our Mexican rice and we turned it into a fried Spam shrimp fried rice. I tasted it. It's really good. I have never done that before. This is the chili dog tater tot casserole. That's what we're going to call it. And remember when we had the meatball sandwiches this past week? We took those and we created a lasagna and I had one loaf of Italian bread left. We turned that into garlic bread, and we have tossed salad in the fridge. So this is what they're having for lunch, dinner, and snacks. Probably for today. Yeah, probably today and maybe a little bit tomorrow. I'm going in on the bean cups. I just heated it in the microwave and put a little guacamole on it. But it's like a smorgasbord up in here. Kenny, let me see your plate. For everybody, let's see his plate. Yeah, that's what the kids and Ken's plate pretty much looks like. A little bit of everything. But you know what? You got to do what you got to do to get to a zero waste kitchen.